Welcome to Review Rumble. The best scented crayons is probably one of the most delightful ways to spark a child's imagination and sensory exploration, transforming ordinary coloring sessions into an aromatic adventure that engages multiple senses and encourages creative expression through a vibrant palette of colors and captivating fragrances, making every stroke a multisensory experience. Number 5. Honeysticks Pure Beeswax Crayons, 12-pack. Experience the purity of crayons handmade in New Zealand. Crafted with natural beeswax and food-grade colors, they offer a distinct difference you can feel and smell. Enjoy the natural scent of pure beeswax without any chemical odors or waxy residue. Designed with a unique, chubby shape, these are ideal for little hands to grip. They are incredibly durable, making them perfect for toddlers aged 1 to 3. Kids love using them, and they're built to last. Unleash creativity with 12 vibrant colors, from deep reds to cheerful yellows. These crayons are smooth and easy to use, making drawing and coloring an enjoyable experience for young artists. Made from a natural byproduct of honey production, these crayons are a sustainable choice. This process has minimal environmental impact and contributes to their wonderful beeswax scent. They are proudly plastic-free. Our mission is to provide safe, sustainable products that ignite creativity in early childhood. Spark your child's imagination with art supplies that are good for them and the environment. What we like. If you are looking for the purest art supplies for your little ones, these are a fantastic choice. Made with natural beeswax and food-grade colors, they offer a safe and gentle coloring experience. If you prioritize non-toxic, eco-friendly materials and a natural scent, you should consider these. What people say. The colors are bright, they draw smoothly, and they don't break easily. Great quality and perfect for little hands. These are perfect for him to learn how to hold and color. He loves spending time sorting them as well. I feel good that these are safer than standard crayons. These are also the perfect size for little hands. They're easy for her to grip, and the colors are very pretty. They smell nice, and it gives me peace of mind to know they're made with natural, kid-safe ingredients. The box they come in is compact enough to easily toss into her diaper bag and take to go. Number 4. Smencils Recycled Scented Pencils. Discover Smencils, the unique pencils crafted from recycled newspapers. They bring a fun, scented twist to your writing experience. Keep kids excited about schoolwork with these stimulating pencils. They are perfect for both classroom and home use. These pre-sharpened HB No. 2 pencils are ideal for homework, tests, and creative activities. They also make great teaching incentives. Enjoy amazing scents that last for 2 years. Every sketch, write, and draw will be a delightful experience. Explore a variety of delicious gourmet scents like bubble gum, pineapple swirl, and strawberry cheesecake. There's a favorite for everyone. These scented pencils make a wonderful gift for kids. They are a fun and eco-friendly addition to any school supply collection. What we like. If your child needs pencils for schoolwork or drawing and you want to add an element of fun, these are a great option. The unique gourmet scents are guaranteed to last for 2 years, making writing and drawing more engaging. If you're looking for a way to make homework exciting or need a unique classroom reward, you should consider these. What people say. Each pencil is genuinely scented and made from recycled newspaper, which is a huge plus. I love that there's no outer plastic coating, meaning these won't gum up or damage an electric pencil sharpener, a common issue with other novelty pencils. An added bonus that I truly appreciate is that they come pre-sharpened, which makes distribution a breeze when I'm trying to figure out whose birthday is whose in the morning. Number 3. Scentco Colored Smencils, Recycled Scented Pencils. Discover a new way to color with our amazing scented pencils. They're made from recycled newspapers, making them eco-friendly and fun. Unleash your creativity with these vibrant, pre-sharpened pencils. Each one comes with a delightful gourmet scent that lasts for 2 years. Ideal for coloring books, arts, crafts, and school projects. They're also great as classroom rewards or party favors. Enjoy a variety of exciting scents like bubble gum, pineapple swirl, and strawberry cheesecake. There's a scent for everyone. Turn schoolwork and art projects into an exciting adventure. These pencils are a must-have for both the classroom and home. What we like. If you're looking for a way to make coloring and art projects more exciting for kids, these are perfect. They combine vibrant colors with long-lasting gourmet scents, all made from recycled newspapers. If you need engaging art supplies for home or school, or want a fun incentive for children, you should consider these. What people say. Each pencil is genuinely scented and made from recycled newspaper, which is a huge plus. I love that there's no outer plastic coating, meaning these won't gum up or damage an electric pencil sharpener, a common issue with other novelty pencils. An added bonus that I truly appreciate is that they come pre-sharpened, which makes distribution a breeze when I'm trying to figure out whose birthday is whose in the morning. The colored Smencils offer a delightful and eco-friendly twist on traditional colored pencils, making them a fantastic choice for artists of all ages. What sets these pencils apart is their unique scent, which is infused into each pencil during the manufacturing process. From fruity to sweet, the scents are vibrant and long-lasting, adding an extra dimension to the coloring experience. Plus, the scents are non-toxic and made from recycled materials, making them an environmentally conscious choice. Number 2. Bedwina Bulk Crayons, 576 count. Get an amazing deal with 144 packs of crayons, totaling 576 individual crayons. This provides an unlimited supply for endless coloring fun for you and your kids. Looking for an affordable way to entertain your children? These crayons come in assorted colors, offering hours of fun for them, whether at home or on the go. Tired of crayons that break easily? Ours are made with premium quality construction, ensuring they won't break and will transfer color beautifully to paper. These crayons are a trusted toy that helps promote imagination and creativity. With plenty of colors, you can always give your children a way to express their artistic side. They are perfect for party favors, goodie bags, stocking stuffers, and even for restaurants. You'll have enough to share for any occasion. We are confident you'll love this bulk crayon set. Your satisfaction is our priority, and will ensure you have an excellent customer experience. What we like. If you need a large quantity of reliable crayons for events or to have on hand, this bulk pack is ideal. You get a massive amount of high-quality crayons that are designed not to break easily. If you're planning a party, stocking a classroom, or just want an endless supply for your kids, you should consider this option. What people say. Featured primary colors, good quality, not easy to break. These are very good crayons, a rich color payout for an inexpensive crayon. These are also a bit smaller than normal crayons but perfect for giveaway when you have multitudes of children that need something to do. Great for giveaways for kids, they love them at our corporate booth. Number 1. Mermaid Unicorn Scented Markers Art Kit for Kids. Discover a vibrant world of color and scent with this amazing art set. It's packed with everything a young artist needs to create their masterpieces. This comprehensive kit includes washable markers, crayons, stickers, stamps, and more, all neatly organized in a magical unicorn case. Enjoy a delightful sensory experience with fruity scented markers that are also washable. Perfect for worry-free creativity. The portable unicorn case with multiple compartments makes it easy to take this art set anywhere. It's ideal for travel, playdates, or quiet time at home. Looking for the perfect gift? This art set is sure to delight any girl who loves unicorns and creativity. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. Inspire your child's imagination and encourage collaboration as they draw, color, and design. It's more than just an art set, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. What we like. If you're looking for a complete art kit for a young girl, especially one who loves unicorns, this is a wonderful gift. It includes washable markers, crayons, and fun accessories all in a convenient unicorn-themed case. If you need a creative and engaging present for a birthday or holiday, and want something that's easy to clean up, you should consider this. What people say. Smooth ink flow and bright colors make coloring and drawing enjoyable. Washable ink is a big win. Excellent. 56 colors give lots of options without feeling repetitive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.